Right, so today's the 12th of December. I got my phone back from Samsung again for the third time this time, yeah? And the letter here says, "Thank you for sending us your mobile phone to us. One of our engineers at our service centre has diagnosed the fault and completed with a successful repair." Yeah, right. For peace of mind, your repair device has been independently checked by our quality team to ensure it is in fully working order before we return it to you. This is bullcrap. Third time and now they're asking me for the fourth time to come back. The 11th of December, yeah, you can see that. My friend's on the phone. Sorry, my friend's on the phone, yeah. It's on loudspeaker, it's working perfectly fine. Take it off there. You can hear nothing again. So this quality team is pants. And these repairs aren't working very well. Now I'm sick to death of this. And look, just so you know, when it's not on loudspeaker, it's on full. And I've put it on the loud one. Extended volume is still not working. So whatever's going on, something's wrong with the motherboard, but this phone is pants. It needs replacing, guys. It's ridiculous. 5 weeks now without the handset. I'm paying £42 a month for this. It's stupid. But yeah, just so you know, there you go, 11th of December. And today's date is Thursday the 12th of December. But there you go. Thank you.